Hi there, Shimich.
So we were told there'd been a lot of speed bump, lot of changes to the touring pitches and the touring site. You can see it still says welcome to touring on the sign. So the entrance is still the same. Unfortunately, they've took away all of the fully serviced pitches, the Euro touring pitches and the hard standing pitches, and now it's just the field at the bottom. So we think this is possibly where our pitch was in 2024. You see the bins just up there. This is our pitch, it's a Euro touring pitch XL. Pitch number 8. All these were fully serviced touring pitches, and now they're statics. This would have been the view from the back of our pitch. Now the statics. This is our grass pitch. It's number 64. 16 amp electric. No other services. So our pitch is one of the more central grass pitches, so you can see the park over there. We've got bins, drinking water and grey waste point. There's also another drinking water and grey waste point, bins, and the same further down. And we've also got another water point just behind that motorhome over there. So we've got the facilities block over here. Well, the toilets are currently locked, except for the accessible. The Elson point is still on here. There you can see the facilities block. 18 months ago, they were all touring pitches. On the other side here we've got another facilities block. This is the second facilities block, and the toilets are all open on this one. Little tip, if you do need to use the accessible toilets and showers, they're a bit nicer in this one than the other one. There's also an Elson point and the pot wash. So apart from the changes to touring, to the options of pitches that you've now got, which is just a grass pitch with electric, nothing much has changed on here. Come on then. The Haven complex itself doesn't seem to have changed. The laundrette still there, the shop, food outlets, the pool, the pub, the show bar, the arcade, The wind is still as windy as ever over here. Everything else pretty much seems to have stayed the same. And now a view from above.